Hi, good morning PHRASAL. My name is Mihira. I'm your invigilator for the OET-speaking session on the 29th of April 2022. How are you doing? Well, I'm great. Can you tell me your full name for the record, please? And what is your candidate number, please? Thank you. And you are taking this test as a nurse? Is that correct? All right. Can I see your ID, please? Okay. The warm-up questions are not assessed and are a chance for us to get used to each other's voices. We'll just talk for 2 to 3 minutes. Tell us a little bit about yourself. What do you do if you don't have an answer to a patient's inquiry? How would you de-escalate a situation with an angry patient who is not pleased with the care you are providing? What would you do if you were unsure of a task or assignment you had? How would you handle a situation where a doctor places an order you do not feel comfortable carrying out? Great. Thank you very much for sharing that. So, let's move on to role play now. I'll take the part of the patient, or perhaps a relative, and you'll take your professional role. The purpose of the role play is to get evidence of your ability to communicate effectively with patients. Use your ability to fulfill as much of the role play as possible. Do you have any questions? You have up to 3 minutes to prepare the role play. You will start the role play after that time. I'll let you know when the 3 minutes are up. You can ask me if there is anything you are not sure about, and you can make notes on the role-playing card if you want to. Here's a pencil for making notes. You can look at the card during the test, but you must return it to me at the end of the test. Please start preparing now. Thank you. Your preparation time is over. You can now start your OET-speaking role play. Don't worry if I stop you when the time is up. Good morning, Russell. My full name is Mihira. I am good. Thank you for asking. How about you, Russell? Sure, I got admitted for hernia repair surgery. No worries. Yes, I remember that. Yes, nurse, of course. I have followed all the preparation instructions, but nurse, I am feeling a bit thirsty now. So, I would like to drink some water. I have followed the same, but now I feel as if my throat is dry and thirsty.
Oh, I see.
Nurse, now it is clear why I can't have a drink so close to the operation. Yes, you may please. No, I haven't had any health problems recently, and I have been feeling fine. All right. Okay. Actually, nurse, I wish to keep my watch on, so I can check the time when I wake up. Thank you for the information. I will take off my watch. Okay, nurse. Yes, nurse. Nurse, I was about to ask that. Because my sister will be coming to pick me up after the operation. So I need to tell her what time to get me from here. Oh really? Then I will just give my sister a call after the operation. Sure, I am ready to begin the preoperative checks. You may continue. Thank you. That is the end of your OET-speaking roleplay. All the very best. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and encourage us.
Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Kindly comment your suggestions and help us do better.